I'm Gwendolyn Blue from the University of Calgary in the Department of Geography. My research focuses on public participation with science and technology, and so I'm interested in the interface between science and public. Citizen science is occurring at a really amazing time in society, in which people have called a participatory turn in scientific governance. And I think that citizen science has an opportunity for us to learn to do both science and democracy differently. I think one of the biggest challenges that will unfold with citizen science is how it is that we're going to enact this interface between being a citizen and being a scientist, because those are not the same thing. And we've also had a lot of history that suggests that to be a citizen is to have to be associated with values, and to be a scientist is to be associated with facts. And we're very accustomed to thinking that facts and values are different things. And citizen science gives us an opportunity to really rethink that relationship between facts and values. But I think it's going to be very challenging because we've got these very old, sedimented practices where we think that to be an expert means not having values, and being a citizen, sometimes I think there's an assumption that to be a citizen means not having knowledge. And those assumptions are being called into question with citizen science, but it does take a lot of work to call those assumptions into question. I think that we need to have both lay participants as well as experts think deeply about what citizen science means. And oftentimes when we use the term citizen science, we think it just applies to lay experts. But I think the biggest challenge is going to be experts seeing themselves simultaneously as knowledge producers as well as citizens. And that means recognizing value commitments, but it also means recognizing, I think, a really complex relationship between science and democracy, and that we not only do we need science for a functioning democracy, but we also need democracy for functioning science. And I think what we've tended to separate the two, and now we need to bring them together. And that's the opportunity for citizen science. Needs what is already happening. These amazing opportunities that are unfolding, the technologies that are enabling us to displace and disseminate knowledge in different ways, conferences like this. I think it's already doing what it needs, and it's really an exciting moment.